This is the afternoon weather update. This is for Thursday, the 8th of June. I'm James Spann. Got a few scattered pop-up storms on radar today, but a very dry air mass will be dropping here for 2 days. Very temporary shot, but we'll take that tomorrow and Saturday. Then moisture levels come back on Sunday. Let's go right to the radar, and we're doing this live at 2:42 this Thursday afternoon. And you can see the showers and thunderstorms forming across the central counties of the state, mainly south of Interstate 20. Some of the heavier storms are in northern Chilton County around Jemison. Pretty good shower just to the northeast of Clanton. Got a few showers in Shelby County. And then down to the south, we have scattered showers and storms over parts of Elmore, Autauga, Montgomery, Macon, Bullock counties. And again, these are moving to the south. If you're north of Interstate 20, the risk of a shower fairly low. There could be a few. In fact, I see one that's popping up northwest of Tuscaloosa. But again, all of this in advance of this push of drier air that we will experience tomorrow. This is the upper air look, and it's the old Omega block. We've seen this for a week or so. Trough in the west ridging over the central U.S. and a big upper low that's over New England. There's a visible satellite view. Lots of sunshine for the northern counties of the state. You can see that field of cumulus clouds from west central Alabama down into the southeastern counties of the state. And still a bit hazy. There's a little bit of the wildfire smoke in the upper atmosphere across the deep south, but really not much. It's very thin. The bulk of the higher concentrations well to the northeast. And even there, numbers have come down from yesterday. And that's a radar composite. Other storms south of Memphis up into parts of Arkansas. And again, there's a look at the current radar situation. You can see those scattered showers forming through central Alabama, moving really from northwest to southeast. They'll drop away quickly once the sun goes down later this evening. And those were lows early this morning. Temperatures this afternoon are mostly in the upper 80s across the deep south. Check the watch warning map around the nation. Pretty quiet. We noticed severe thunderstorm watch for parts of south central Texas. Flash flood watch for parts of Montana and some of the adjacent states. Here's the severe weather possibilities through tonight. Got a few little pockets where severe storms are possible. Not here. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over the Florida Peninsula, just below that push of dry air down into the south part of Florida and parts of the Panhandle as well. And also a risk over the western high plains. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, we have a risk over parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and western Mississippi. But for Alabama, most of the state should be in very dry air. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. Numbers have come up a little bit. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. For the northern half of the state, rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches, 1/2 inch or less for the southern counties of the state. Got a beach trip, you're good. Tropical weather, that's the 2-day outlook. And this is the 7-day outlook. No tropical trouble expected for the next 7 days. So, model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. The block beginning to break down. We still got the upper low that's over New England. It's been awfully cool up there. They're wondering what happened to summer. Ridging over the central U.S., troughing in the west, and again, a pretty dry air mass coming in here. Again, this is the precipitable water. The shades of brown, that's that dry air. So it should be a sunny day, not as humid. Highs mid to upper 80s. This is Saturday, and there might be a few isolated showers near the Gulf Coast. But for most of the state, a sunny day. Humidity values stay low. Many spots will be in the 50s Saturday morning. High Saturday, upper 80s. And then Sunday, the muggies are back. Moisture comes back. So we'll bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms. Not raining everywhere, but it's going to rain in spots, and that'll be the case pretty much through all of next week. Here's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Each day looks like the odds of any one spot getting wet in the 40 to 50% bracket. The better chance, of course, during the afternoon and evening hours, but there might be a late night or morning shower next week. This is a week from today, Thursday the 15th, and we got broad troughing over the eastern states and some drier air trying to push in here, but it's doubtful whether that makes it. We'll maintain the chance of scattered showers and storms. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, June 18th. And again, a very light flow aloft here. It looks fairly quiet. This is a look at rain for Birmingham off the GFS Ensemble. The mean is the green line. Numbers keep coming up. This is between now and the 24th of June. Really a little over 3 inches, and we'll take that. You don't want to have a dry June because that can often lead to a very hot July and August. And numbers, temperatures from the National Blend of Models. And you can see most days upper 80s, low 90s, although again, the NBM here tries to bring up maybe some mid-90s around the weekend of the 17th and 18th, but that remains to be seen if that happens. And hot off the presses, this is the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for June 16th through June 22nd. And again, the idea is that a heat bubble might develop over Texas, expanding in here, which means temperatures could be a little above average out in that time frame if this all works out. Let's check the radar one more time. What do you say? Why not? Because we can. Again, you can see those scattered showers and storms forming. Again, this is at 2:48 for those that are watching live, right across the western and central counties of the state. And we don't expect anything severe, but as always with these summer storms, they can produce some small hail and gusty winds. We've seen that several days this week. Some of the heavier showers at 2:48 in Chilton County, one right on top of Jemison. And again, we've got that shower that is formed to the northwest of Tuscaloosa, up Highway 171. Got a few showers in Pickens County. There's one in Hale County, just off Highway 14 between Greensboro and Marion. And then we've got the showers down here around Montgomery, Autauga, Elmore, Lowndes, Montgomery, Macon, Bullock counties. And again, once the sun fades and goes down, those showers will fade away later this evening as well. And again, for most of the state, we're going to be totally dry tomorrow and on Saturday. Hey, we have notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com. If you're a newbie here, we broadcast these live. We simulcast on Facebook and YouTube every morning about 5:15, every afternoon about 2:45. We know that most of you watch later, which is fine. And, of course, we do invite you to watch us on the television side. Right across the hall over there, Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.